This forest has that perfect mix of eerie and beautiful.
Yeah, like a postcard that might suddenly snap at you.
Stay near me, and whatever you do, don't touch anything circled with stones or leaves. That sounds serious enough to kill all the fun. Did people make those markings?
Yes, which normally means we appreciate it with our eyes only. That shiny rock is incredible.
And the way you said that already screams bad idea. Don't touch it.
Some things in this forest aren't meant to be taken home.
See? Even the woods have a gift shop rule.
I'm not touching it, just staring very intensely.
Please let your curiosity mind its table manners. Okay, that bird made way too dramatic an entrance.
Even the animals here love jump scares.
If you're about to do something stupid, I need front row tickets.
I'll just check it for 1 second. It's warm.
Leo, warm is not the comforting word you think it is. Why did everything go silent?
I think the forest just noticed us.
Ben, Leo, Mia.
If either of you touched something strange, now would be the perfect moment to admit it.
We need to turn back fast.
Yes, before reality catches up.
I'm okay. I'm here.
Sam, we were so worried. Daddy!
I'm so glad you're all safe. Aloha. Welcome to our village. Aloha. It's beautiful.
So tired.
This sleigh is for you. Thank you. We feel so relaxed. Leo, try picking a flower. Okay, Dad.
You can do it, Leo. Like this, Leo.
That's it. Now thread it.
Ugh, it's too slippery.
Here, let me help, sweetie.
Oh no, it fell.
It's okay. We'll try again.
That one's playing hard to get.
Almost there. Perfect. Look, I finished my lei. It's so pretty, Leo.
Great job, son.
It's beautiful, sweetie.
Thanks.
I am the tiny king, and this is my royal flower scepter.
Oh, brother.
Bow before your king.
Tee-hee-hee.
Then my body is about to tell a very messy story. Look, I can do this.
We're done.
Konane kalai kalani.
Hula ka meka hao.
Catching on fast. Keep going.
Leo, the ocean is that way, not behind you.
I'm giving the fish a private show. Feel the rhythm first, then let your body follow. Okay, I guess that's easier than overthinking it.
Now you both look fantastic. I still lost the crab, but I'm having fun. Now this is my kind of culture class.
You say that every time food appears.
What's this one called? That one is poi. Wow, I'm done. Very good. Your Hawaiian is improving.
This fruit tastes so fresh. I could live on pineapple and sunshine.
Now we share stories from long ago.
I like stories where nobody turns into smoke.
These are old tales. Nothing to fear.
Okay, I'm ready.
This is a story of love, jealousy, and great power.
That already sounds better than television. Peely's heart can burn with both love and rage. I think I understand that now. This place has a little bit of everything.
That's because it's cooler than our house. I think I found my talent.
Let's not say that until the drum agrees. Mine looks like a tired green noodle.
That just means you're being creative. Look, it's a starship.
That's amazing, my little artist.
This day got so much better. I vote we stay in the nice village forever.
Laughter.
That doesn't sound like dancing.
No, something changed. Help. Trouble is coming.
Why is he talking so fast? Because this is bad news. We need to warn everyone. Gather the villagers. My flowers look sick. Sad wilted thing. That's not normal. Mine is burning at the edges.
Not even a little.
Drop it. Don't keep anything strange on you. What happened? What happened?
It's smoldering. Just drop it.
Someone is missing in the forest.
Why is this happening here too?
Because whatever was quiet, it's not quiet anymore. People are missing. They vanished near the tree. Vanished?
What do you mean vanished?
People are missing. They vanished near the trees, like me last night.
Leo, stay beside me and don't wander off.
No, this isn't just a warning anymore.
Then what is it? Pant. Something has awakened, and it's angry.
That smoke looks wrong.
Yes, and it's moving too fast.
I saw someone inside the smoke.
No, I saw more than one. There's still...
I don't believe this. Please tell me it's a dance troupe.
That's the worst joke at the worst time.
No one leaves my side. Not one step. We face this together, no matter what it is.
Why did the drums stop? Because now we're supposed to hear something worse. Dad, is this because of me?
I don't know yet, son. But whatever comes next, we face it together.
They are listening. To what? To us. To fear or courage. Then let's not give them fear.
Let him go. He knows this place.
What is he doing?
I walk with aloha. You have no power here unless we give it to you. Hiss.
That stone. It was the one I touched.
You brought it here?
I didn't mean to. It stuck to my shoe. Ko is returning it. Watch.
It is done, for now.
For now.
The anger sleeps, but it can wake again. So we didn't win, we just paused it.
You saved us.
No. The forest saved itself. I only reminded it of its own rules.
What rules?
Do not take what does not wish to be taken.
I touched it. I'm sorry.
You didn't know.
I knew. I just didn't listen. We all wanted to see what would happen.
This will remind you. No taking stones, only giving flowers.
What if I forget again?
Then the forest will remember for you.
That sounds like a threat and a promise.
We should leave before dawn.
Leave. We just got here.
This village needs peace, not tourists bringing trouble.
He's right. We almost got them killed.
These are from the old trees. They protect those who mean well.
Even if I made a starship lay?
Especially then.
I'll miss this place.
Even the creepy parts?
Especially the creepy parts. They made us listen.
Now that's the smartest thing you've said all day.
Guys?
What now?
The flowers Koa gave us, they're dying fast. Don't panic. Keep walking. Don't look back. The trees are moving.
Trees don't move.
These do. Faster. Don't run, walk fast, no sudden moves. Ben!
Don't touch the stones!
I'm fine. I landed on leaves.
The forest let him fall on leaves. That's nice.
It's that bird again.
Is it following us or leading us?
Leading. Watch. Since when do we trust birds?
Since today.
We're out. That's the car.
I'm never complaining about traffic again.
Don't say that. You'll jinx us.
It looks so ordinary now.
That's the scariest part.
Can we go get ice cream?
Yes, you've earned it.
I'm telling everyone we got lost in a really boring field.
No one will believe that.
That's the point. Some stories are better when no one believes them.
Dad. Yeah? Do you think the forest remembers us? I think it remembers everyone. That's why we don't go back.
We never said thank you to Koa properly.
He knew. He gave us the pendants.
I hope he's okay.
He will be. He belongs there. We don't.